Am I a tree? I often feel there is a secret set of rules that you know and I don't. They are the missing links, if you will, a playbook of what is right and what is wrong. These unspoken rules lead to success that has eluded me. And yet, you keep them from me. You want me to fail. You enjoy looking down on me. At first, I thought it was okay to be different, that things will balance out, so I'll be vindicated. I bought into the myths that if I just worked hard, I'll have the happy endings. I never understood why I wasn't good enough. It's like I'm on some list, the have-nots, the never will. In the forest, someone decides that certain trees will be cut down. The tree was rooted. It produced oxygen so that decision maker can breathe. The tree is spray painted. The tree is marked for death, and it's not even aware. It will continue to do all it can until someone decides otherwise. Am I a tree?